What up, what up, what up? It's your boy AJ. I'm back with another cooking video, eating video, mukbang review video. So let me go ahead and share it real quick and then we'll get it on and popping. 1 second. Almost done, almost done. All right. So like I said, I'm AJ, aka AJ's to go on Instagram, and cooking with AJ on YouTube and Facebook. So let me go ahead. I got a spicy chicken sandwich, homemade spicy chicken sandwich with mozzarella and cheddar cheese on Walmart's market side brioche buns. I also made a spicy Chipotle Aioli. And I'm also having some of TraderJoes Handsome Cut fries again. If you watched my last video, you've already saw my review of the fries and the bread, the buns, the brioche buns. So obviously that I'm eating them again, you must know that I really like them. So chicken sandwich, I fried it lightly. Nothing too spectacular. So all right, let's go. See how this tastes. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh my God. Look, it's so good. Oh my God. Well, I mean, I knew it was gonna be good. I made it. It's so damn good. I'm finna fuck this up. Just don't know. So, if you're watching, thank you. Please share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, so, like I said again. Oh, the last time that I did the review on the Trader Joe's fries, I followed them according to the instructions on the bag and I made them in the oven. This time I fried them. They still taste good. This kale, oh my God, I love kale. So, the only thing I can say about Trader Joe's is Trader Joe's is good. And they're not expensive. So, if you've been thinking about going to Trader Joe's, go. Because they have good stuff. When I get married, my boyfriend gonna be happy. Cause I know how to cook. Like for real. Well, with the rest. Not too much bread, not too much crust. That's right. So damn good. So what's up with everybody? What's going on? What's going on? Me, I'm trying to figure out what I'm finna do. Because I don't know if I want to be bothered with the Super Bowl. There's too many people here. And I don't like traffic. So. Oh. Man. I was hungry. Well, it shouldn't be over. I do have another piece of chicken over there. That's what I'm gonna eat later. I'm gonna eat it with some hot chips. Just toasted bun. I definitely recommend Walmart's brioche buns. Definitely recommend those because they're really good toasted. Last French fry. Well, that's it. So, again, Walmart's market side brioche buns. 10. TraderJoes handsome cut fries. 10. Stay tuned for more videos. Follow me on YouTube, Cooking with AJ. That's COOKIN space W space AJ. On Facebook, Cooking with AJ. On Instagram, AJ's to go. Yeah, follow me, share, subscribe. I'll have another video coming soon, but eventually I'm only going to post videos to YouTube. So, Cooking with AJ on YouTube, Cooking with AJ on Facebook, and AJ's to go on Instagram. All right, thanks for watching. It's been real.